Many are wicked. Oh, when the battle wicked, when the battle wicked. Now by machine about wicked, the man in Alana. Then the last Sunday, I'm going to Kumaka, and then I says, I lost the now no can. See where they go Yaloba factory. When I saw you in a daughter, I don't make you go around. The singing say, Akachaam, say, and a man here Kumaka, Akachaam. Na mane Kumaka ndi na see where they go get your chineki here. Where Jalowa factory. No word on the name now, Lord Chineko no can. Never a factory in Keha. Nkutemaki find you, but Kutemaki beto. It wouldn't even knock the Kota Akachaam, my for me, my apology. Like somebody could not say, Mbaka, you should this. Upon and can Bam Nisi, Bamia, Makanka nature how to handle that matter. I come nature go there, what touch about me. Yamkan egg here, nature hanger, man. Mama, whatever I want to do. Koya and Bianquam GM or bed, they are full. Offering a bem. Oh, your man bought after. I'm out of the morning. I was talking about those who said instead of building a church for the Lord, go and build factory. Building factory is very good, very, very important. Even necessary in a time like this when people are dying of hunger. Not just individuals, but the government should help to build factories and employ people. It is a sine qua non condition to abate this unemployment factor and curb this insecurity situation that is immanent and endemic in our society today. But we must not abandon the work of God. Yes, and cases that we chuku, in chuku, onyo goes in ruchineke ya lawyer. But God first even. Ije n'obodo Oyibo ifu no ka na alu Chineke. O one church for na Germany. Ihe eji mesos altar no na billions. Igazi na Italy na Rome. Garia na Padova, Garia L'Aquila, Garia Brescia. Ghana, Valencia, Fono Gadeba. Ibadazia na the city of Rome itself. Garia. If you are able to get a side, don't chamara nata chukwi. Hello, Chineke, Yedima, Chineka Bagosimeha. And Oreba na Kogirina, Odikana about war. Even if your traditional religion is, go ahead, but stop attacking Christianity in a way that is satanic. Because even Satan obeys Christ and respects Christ. Apart from Christianity, by now many of us will not be alive. Because many of us are product of twins. Either na papa boejima mama or kwa uka usari boejima. Nke toro my father mgbe kenta. Onwa omuru two boys ejima at that time papa m na korom. So ndị awore ejima ha na aboje tufuo no hia. Amoto oke dibe ejeme emume bu ụmụaka kpekpere ihe dị otu abịakwa n'ọzọ. All Christianity kwụsara ihe ndị a niile. Ma ndị a na-asụ bekee akọ ihe apart from Christianity that brought education in Nigeria, brought Western medication, what we call hospital today. Chukwu gozikwe ụka ya. That's why he said that gate of hell shall never prevail against the church. They go Matthew 16, 18 to 19. And many of our youth are deceived. We've understand about Christianity. Now Christianity is scam. Which Christianity? In Ghana, good morals. No, you don't know. Blessed are the pure in heart. Blessed are the pure, the peacemakers. These are the triple stand of our tradition and culture. Okay, back women are not the here they are going to get that. Emerson and Madi Beajo Mume, will be the ocha, blowing up Udo, ashes in acid. There shall be called sons of God, those who are peacemakers. Blessed are those who are persecuted for the cause of righteousness. The kingdom of heaven is theirs. Ndana Babuba me homa. I say, when he had a make happy is in a bee. Walk back a go to or I can also go about the banana. When people begin to speak evil of you and drop calumnious utterances, you know, so quick be no go look at the one anywhere. Even anybody, Akachaam, also we're going 300 years, we must live here. After here, awareness. Oh, yeah, baby, so Buddhist. So when you wake a launch in a gable for all Gadrianama. When you quack again on the Johnny Lucina gable for then up with all Lucina Kika. Ask one if on social media, Ebana again. They can't go no good. Oh, yeah, I know we have factory on all. Go and trace their history. Hancha which are factories. Nkabuka wo better peanut haji bia lolu Chineke ha lolu ya o. Sana magozi akadini kuku. Ihe ọma akọkwana gị. Amara akọkwana gị. Ebe anyị nọ taa bebie na we must boast in the Lord. Even if you are pure in heart, n'ifere Chineke aka. Even if you are a peacemaker, all these you are being persecuted for the sake of righteousness and whatever. These are being sustained by the grace of God. Thank God for the power of His grace. Yes. I'm going to go to Psalm 146. Na responsibility time I go ta. Oh. They say, happy, blessed, and fortunate is he who has the God of Jacob for his help. Oye wele Chineke Jacob whose hope is in the Lord